Hi everyone, and today we're talking about the drop that happened in the stock market yesterday. Just before I get on to the video though, could I just say a big thank you to the people that have been subscribing lately. My subscriber count's up to 98, which I know is not a lot still, but it's building up nicely, which is good to see, because I always do these videos just for fun really, and to try and help other people and kind of give my opinion on things that are going on in the stock market, and to see some support like that, it's always good. Gives you a bit of motivation to keep doing the videos, so thanks for that. I know I was going to say I was going to do the free stocks that I'm watching today. I'll do that one tomorrow, and then I'll do the free stocks that I'm buying a little bit later on after that. But I just wanted to touch on the market really. So we had the Dow down 3%, and the Nasdaq was down 2.5%. Big drop. I think during like an hour in yesterday, I said yesterday in yesterday's video that we're going to be in for a drop today, and even though when it was down 1% earlier on yesterday, I knew that we were going to have a heavy day. I thought we'd be touching more of the 2% mark, but we did get into the 3% mark, which was even worse. Overall though, I've got to say, I thought it was a little bit frustrating seeing the drop yesterday. Main reason being that it was about pretty much being caused by the tariffs that Trump's doing on China. But the annoying thing is that we knew this was happening like weeks ago. So for the market now to drop because of that is a bit annoying. And the main reason why I think it dropped is because mainstream media was pretty much pushing this forward in the news, and it caused quite a bit of fear, and we had a bit of fear selling, a bit of panic selling. The exact same thing happened in February when we had the big drop, the 10% drop. We had the same thing last year with the North Korea. The media pushed them massive, and it caused a lot of fear. We had a big drop. At the moment, we didn't fully recover from the actual drop last time just yet, and I think the markets are down so far this year. But I'm not sure. It looks like another red day today, and then we'll see what happens over the weekend and see if the fear kind of cools down a little bit. Because I think this was just mainly caused by the media pushing the story out, which everyone knew 3 weeks ago. I think that overall, that if you actually look at the situation, the government was going to be shut down today if they didn't get the bill passed. So if this wasn't happening, the media would be reporting on that. So it just shows you, like, they just look for stories that kind of cause fear, and they would have probably tried to push the government shutdown, which would have caused probably another negative effect on the market. So we've probably been in a red day yesterday, whatever the case would have been. But yeah, it shows that, from the North Korea, the correction we had last time, the correction that we're going into this time, just not to sell, because, you lose your money when you actually sell the stocks. You keep hold of them. The markets will go back up at some point. Whether or not it will be Monday, we'll have to see. But yeah, we are in a little bit of a drop now, and now's a great time to be buying stocks. There's some right good stocks on sale right now. I think Apple's down to like 167, which if I had the money if I hadn't invested previously, on Tuesday, I think it was, on Monday, like Apple's down big time. Boeing, Netflix, there's a million stocks that are just on sale right now. So if you did have any money available, then now's a really good time to buy. Unfortunately, I bought a little bit too early. But yeah, this does create a good opportunity to be buying. It's just an opportunity that I don't think should have happened, and the main blame leads with the mainstream media, I think, on this one. So just kind of giving my opinions on that, and advice to you guys as well that are probably like looking for opinions right now of what they think's going on. I think just hold your stocks at the moment. We're not going to go into a recession or a crash, because at the moment everything's going fine. So a little bit annoying really in general, but I think we should see a green day at some point next week, and the stock should recover big time, because whenever something like this happens, we normally have a nice big couple of green days where the Dow and Nasdaq is jumping into like 1-2% gains, which is good. So guys, give the video a like. I'll see you on tomorrow's video where I'll be doing the free stocks I am buying.